Hello and welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your one-stop shop for all things healthy and natural. Here, we strive to provide you with natural solutions to common health concerns, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to lead a healthier, more balanced life. Today, we're going to explore one of nature's tiny titans, the chia seed, and how it can aid in weight loss. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share our video. Now let's dive into the world of chia seeds. Chia seeds, small but mighty, are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed to the brim with essential nutrients, these miniature marvels are more than just a kitchen staple. They are indeed a treasure trove of wellness. Now let's dive a little deeper into the nutrient profile of these amazing seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber. Just 2 tablespoons of these seeds can provide you with nearly a third of your daily fiber requirement. And we all know how important fiber is for keeping our digestive system running smoothly, don't we? But that's not all. Chia seeds are also rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These are the good fats that our body needs for proper brain function and reducing inflammation. Next up, protein. Chia seeds are an excellent source of this vital nutrient. Protein is a key player in many bodily functions, including building and repairing tissues. It's also crucial for feeling full and satisfied after meals, which can help keep those pesky hunger pangs at bay. And there's more. Chia seeds come loaded with a generous helping of antioxidants, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients not only protect our cells from damage, but also contribute to bone health and muscle function. That's quite an impressive list of nutrients for such tiny seeds, isn't it? But how do they aid in weight loss? Let's find out. Chia seeds are often touted as a weight loss aid, and for good reason. These tiny, nutrient-dense powerhouses pack a punch when it comes to promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overeating. How, you might ask? The secret lies in their high fiber content. Just a 1-ounce serving of chia seeds contains a whopping 11 grams of fiber. Now, fiber is known for its ability to absorb water and swell up in your stomach, creating a sensation of fullness. When you feel full, you're less likely to reach for that extra snack or second helping, helping to keep your calorie intake in check. But that's not all. Chia seeds also bring protein to the table. Protein, as many of us know, is crucial for muscle repair and growth. But did you know it also plays a key role in weight loss? Protein increases feelings of satisfaction and reduces hunger, leading to a decrease in overall food intake. And the best part? Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Sprinkle them on your salad, stir them into your yogurt, or add them to your smoothie for a fiber and protein boost. So incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective step towards your weight loss journey. So, what have we learned about chia seeds and their weight loss benefits? Chia seeds are a nutrient powerhouse, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. The fiber helps keep you feeling full, the protein builds muscle, and the omega-3s reduce inflammation. In combination, these nutrients can aid in weight loss by reducing hunger and boosting metabolism. Remember, chia seeds are not a magic bullet for weight loss, but they can certainly be a part of a healthy, balanced diet. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more natural lifestyle remedies.